let's look at how I made this crop top shawl thing. We're going to make this today, and I literally wear them all the time because I just find them to be so practical on stage and for every day. And I'm not going to gatekeep because I got the inspiration from this creator. Okay, so first find a scarf or literally any fabric of your choice. You're going to fold this in half because it's important now to measure that it goes to your arms. I always use the floor when I put fabrics down. So like I said, fold it in half, and in order to make sure that the neck lands in the middle here, you're going to fold it in half again. I'm also going to get my former cropped scarf just to measure roughly where I want my neck to be. And you're going to cut kind of like a half moon-ish. And then make sure you don't cut too much. It's very easy to cut too much, so rather cut too little than too much, and make sure that it actually fits over your head. And now you got something looking a bit like this. Maybe you don't want arms, that's totally up to you. I think I'm going to make a seam that goes about here, but it's your choice. You can make a seam that goes about here. That's what I did on the black one. What happens then is you get these sort of like wings. Before you sew these pieces together, please make sure that you lock the stitch. I'm going to show you how here in the neck. It prevents the fabric from unraveling. It's very important. And what I'm doing here is folding it double. You can do this by hand or on machine. Mine is a bit whimsical. And this is how it looks in the end. I forgot to show you how to sew the arms, but you get the drift. This is so comfortable for summer. And you know what it reminds me of? The Signingskjole from Her Majesty Queen Sonja of Norway from 1991. It's just so timeless. It looks a little bit futuristic as well, but it's just so classy. Anyway, put on a headscarf and all of a sudden you're part of a commune. Have fun!